morning. I am very tired. I was supposed to wake up at 6 o'clock to do this, but my body was like, you need more rest. So, but I'm trying to get this done. You know what I'm saying? For my baby. It's supposed to be like a family project, but you know how it is when you're a parent and you're trying to do project with your child. That's like, whoa. Maybe next time we can do a little 1-2 together if it's something a little bit more simple. Because Candace gets mad at stuff real fast, and honestly, I just not today. Or not yesterday, or any day. But my inspiration for this project is Frosty the Snowman. So I'm excited about this because Frosty the Snowman got silky feet, like the gingerbread man or something like that. So we're gonna cut him all out. We're gonna trace him. We're gonna put the white background on his body, whatever. Or I can just turn him around and just use this instead of doing all that. And then, yeah. I don't know. I guess this looks promising, right? I'm gonna try to make the broomstick. I got some yarn. So let's see. Alright, y'all, this is Frosty. I did the broom and stuff. I was gonna also do the little pipe that he got in his hand, but I don't think that's appropriate. These are kindergartners. So, I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle on it, like the finishing touches, whatever this, that. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all with the finished product and Cadence's reaction. Yeah. That's Frosty the Snowman. Alright, here you go. For your class project. Like it?
Where do you get these things from?
That's yarn. I got it from my craft basket. Because I had it in my craft basket already.
And you got the hot glue.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, y'all, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.